Hello everyone! Welcome back! In today's video, I will be speaking about how to talk about the different parts of the body in Yiddish. In Yiddish, the body is called the Kerper. Kerper. This is a German-derived word, although when speaking to a Yiddish speaker, you may also hear the Hebrew word being thrown around. Gif. Gif. This is the Yiddish pronunciation of the Hebrew word guf. Guf. Now that you can say body in Yiddish, let's dive right into how to say the different body parts in the Mamelution. Here we go! Cup, cup, hoed, hoed, punam, punam, or Gesicht, Gesicht, Eugen, Eugen, or just one, Oig, Oig, News, News, Mole, Mole, Lippen, Lippen, Zeiner, Zeiner, or one, Zoen, Bekkelig, Bekkelig, Zing, Zing, Hals, Hals, Axel, Axel, Hand, Hand, or just one, Hand, Finger, Finger, Nagel, Nagel, Bristkasten, Bristkasten, Arm, Arm, Boog, Boog, Puppig, Puppig, Rikken, Rikken, Labbe, Labbe, Knie, Knie, Fies, Fies, Knechel, Knechel, Fies, Fies, Vinger van de Fies, Vinger van de Fies. That's it for today. I hope this helped you learn a thing or two about how to talk about the human body in Yiddish. If it was helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other important Yiddish vocabulary lessons. Tack för idag, Litro, tschüss and auf Wiedersehen!